We're very fortunate, I'll tell you why, because usually if the moon is not so bright and I was focused over here, the whole thing would be blurry with the TikTok focus. They don't focus well at night. So far, because of the lightning and the ray of the moon on the water, we still have the focus. So Kathy, I'm totally okay with it. And guess what? I don't need to know why. That's the most natural way of experiencing something, when it's just the experience without the explanations after. That's perfect. I love it. Thank you. So guys, most people have left. I'm looking around. There's nothing like, there are no boats coming right away. So I'm going to look at the comments. If you have any questions, if something was unanswered, please ask again now. Please ask me now. I'm going to be looking at the comments right now. I mean, this is the best place to keep it. As the clouds, as the lightning moves, I'm moving the screen, but that's it. Do you guys ever speak about Bruno to bring lightning? Okay, they were speaking another language. You see, when people hear me speaking before they come, they think I'm not speaking to them when they come. I gotta get away from that light though. No, McGrath, don't worry about it now. I mean, you could worry if you want. I always got to catch myself. I don't like telling people don't worry. You could worry. And at the same time, as long as TikTok allows me to save this, which is usually the case, it's very rare that they don't, I'll post it and you'll be able to capture it, you know? Oh, you're very welcome. I'm putting together other ones. I cut out small pieces from the other lightnings and I'm putting them together with boats and stuff. I have something prepared. I'll show it to you. I'll actually post it so you can see it. Thank you, Big Dave. And we're getting, oh, you know what? I put on some of today's sunrise. Today was one of the greatest sunrises of all time. There's only 7 billion of those. Remember, no, I'm kidding. You know what happened today? I was here before sunrise. Thank you, Michelle. I was here before sunrise and the colors were magnificent. I was gonna. Oh, nice. I was gonna. Yeah, just continue. Don't stop. Don't let me interrupt you. You can do the lightning through my talking. Okay, go ahead. I was gonna tell you that when the cloud goes over the moon, you're just gonna see more colors. I didn't think it's gonna block it completely. Yeah, Kathy, I know. I must provide you the opportunity because it's not just like regular lightning at night, which is really beautiful on its own. It's the lightning together with the moon. So I just want to post like as much of it as I can, like even, I don't know, you can do fast forward. I can do a few 10-minute reels. And you could just fast forward and choose any lightning you want, because if I need to isolate just the lightning, I'm gonna postpone it for tomorrow. And every single day so far, I discovered has a tomorrow, so it just never happens. So that's why when I take stuff and if it's like I split it into 3, it's no problem at all. Like right now, the whole design under the moon, if we have lightning like right now, you see it's like a place you can put your thumb in, and it's like something like a can opener. There's something there. I don't know what it is. We just need lightning in this, yeah, like that. Thank you. Extra lightning was good. I appreciate it. Now we have eyes, and the mouth is on top of the eyes. It's a very strange thing. I see the mouth to the right under the moon, but the eyes are looking like it's maybe it's an upside. It's a very strange face. It's even more absurd than Picasso paintings. The truth is, it is anything you see, actually. Because, like, it depends where you start looking from. That's why there's so many shapes to the same cloud. An angel to the... Yes. I see the head of the angel on the top. Not on the top, but I see... To me, it's a baby angel. Big Dave. Hey, Erwin. Thank you. It's the people I'm concerned about, or the person I'm concerned about, is not here. He was here in the morning, and you can see him passing many of my reels. He has 2 bags with him all the time. He's very peaceful. He never bothers anyone, but that doesn't mean anything if there's something else he's dealing with that will come out eventually. There is a boat approaching. We're going to take a look at it and we'll get back to the lightning. I want to stay here until 9 p.m. and then I want to go eat sunflower seeds. Oh my God, I can't wait to eat them as I take a look at the reels that I got on the 4K stuff. I'm going to start having content like some of those... oh my God, this is big.